Very cute.
Mama, paano naman pala natin? Konti na lang.
Hi. Papa. Hello.
Yeah?
Water.
See the airport? At the
I'm
top.
not sure if we can stand around.
If you look down there, you will see a cow moving around. See animals down there.
There's fire blanket down at the bottom. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Going up the mountain and going down.
See anything?
Oh, scary. Oh. Yeah.
Check the mountain.
But it's tiring and also it's really high.
Hindi
Yeah.
kita diyan.
Bakit? There's a lot of trees, Nicole. Or is it wind? Ow, pagod, ow.
Ay, ito ang pagkain. Pagkain siya ba?
Mapapa ka? You want to eat noodles? Yes.
Ilang araw kayo dito, ate?
Uh,
6 po.
uh,
Eat. Haba ng bakasyon niya. Wala pa siyang pasok?
Papa. Papa. I just think I go other way. Nicole. No, don't knock. No,
Ngayon lang kasi
pwede.
sila nag-open na libre pag birthday.
Happy birthday mo ate.
Oh.
Happy birthday.
Dati hindi sila open. Ngayon 2026 lang. Pag birthday mo, free.
Yeah. Kahit
Ocean. Ocean Park lang yung libre. Ngayong 2026, in-open nila.
merong waterfall sa inyo.
Yan.
Waterfalls. Nicole, what are you looking at? You're looking at your. Are you seeing? Oh, are you staring sa mga puno? No, you're not. Hindi daw, hindi daw. Then what are you staring at? Like checking, ano? So are you staring at the glass or the,
Ibang tao sa London Mountains. So, ito to.
are you staring at this
Copying Megan.
Sino ka pili?
ano ba yan?
There's a walking trail.
Where?
Right here.
Baba, picture na ba daw ni Papa?
Sabi,
Sabi niya.
Yung ano nito eh, haba ng oras. Malakarin to sa baba eh.
Maghapon
Nalakad ko
siguro.
na yan.
Nilakad mo na yan?
Haba.
Ilang oras ka ate inabot?
Ay, oh, abot siguro 3 hours. Hanggang dun sa dulo. Depende sa lakad mo. Meron nga dyan nung paglakad ko, may nahimatay eh. Abay.
Oh! It's cold.
Hot. Yes, it's hot. Hot.
Bakit meron bottle?
Extra. Ano design?
Going up again. Saan tayo galing, dear?
No. Very far. Pero na-try nyo na yung bus. Hindi.
Hindi pa po.
Mama, what's flower in Bicol?
Burak. Ganda.
And how about in Tagalog?
Bulaklak.
Isang araw namin to na hilakad eh. Kasi pahinga mo rin. Haba.
Can see the track.
Wow.
Nicole.
Buti nga ngayon walang ulan eh. Kahapon ang lakas.
Malakas yung ulan.
Nicole. Rock. Nicole.
Ang lakas ng hangin.
Moon? Wala pa moon.
Anong buwan malamig dito?
December. December to March.
March, malamig po March.
Depende din.
Tapos hindi maulan.
Hindi.
Malamig lang.
Mm.
Hindi maganda panahon pag
Pag ganitong panahon, talaga.
Tag-ulan na kasi po.
Tayo, maulan. Tapos kahit tapos na yung summer, init pa.
Ano yan? Wow.
So,
Face.
Maganda dito magpunta pag paumpisa ng winter.
not really the pink.
Mga November yan, ganyan.
The one
Yeah,
that
shops up there.
December, ganun din.
December.
But it's very
Pero mas
expensive.
maganda Chinese New Year eh.
February.
The pink is like your country pouch, but the actual, peak, the baby private area, it is you're like surrounded by clouds. Oh, wow, ganda.
Naka-Disneyland na kayo.
Opo, yung huling punta na. Nakaraang punta.
Ocean Park.
Opo. Daddy, bali na yung picture habang nakalim. Wow.
Good.
Wow.
Wow.
No, don't knock on the glass. No. No, no, no. Don't knock the door. Hindi yan door. You can only knock. Kasi, only knock at it. Or it's a
Viewing deck
door.
yun.
Ang pasang hangin.
Or a
Viewing deck.
window.
Huh?
Viewing deck.
It's a window, but it's like a door.
May ano yung may train.
Rose.
Yung mga sa baba. Mga kami dyan eh. Grabe hirap.
Nicole. Nicole.
Akyat baba kayo sa
Ayun oh, taas pa ng hagdan oh. Tinan mo yung mama oh, nahirap nga na.
Meron nalalakad?
Oo.
Ay, oo naman.
Which one?
Super haba niyan eh. All day mo maano yan.
Meron, pag hiking, meron steep. Or it will